Here's everything you need to know about this spinner pen. Now, if you're like me, you're trying to understand how everything works and how do you use the ink cartridges and what do you do with these extra little guys here and this little guy, and I'm trying to unscrew it and I can pull apart the middle, but it was like, what makes sense? But here's the key. This little rubber piece on the end just slides in just like that. So it slides on nice and easy. And there you go. Now you've got it. And if you want to do the pen action, you simply slide that in there, just like that. And you can write with it just like a pen, or you can spin it. I think I spin a little bit better with this one, but not so good. So that's how you make it a pen. And these parts, all of these parts, are just extra. Pretty fun toy, especially if you're one that can't sit still well like me. I recommend it.